You guys doing? It's Tina from Treasures by Tina. As you could tell, I revamped my YouTube channel name and I'm revamping what I'm going to be doing on my channel. So some of the things I'm going to do are like easy DIYs that you can do at home that doesn't cost a lot. Doing that, some home decor, some recipes, decorating, clean with me's, you name it, anything that makes a cozy home and a happy heart. And that's kind of the vibe I'm going for, is all cozy home, happy heart, things that make us happy to be in our homes and feel creative and inspired. And I've just been watching so many other people on YouTube just really just enjoying their home and enjoying decorating it or being with your family. And I figured what a great way, especially since everything that's going on in the world, excuse me, just to be able to be in your home and feel that happiness and that warmth and that coziness and all those good vibes that make you so happy to walk through the door. So those are some of the things I'm going to be doing. In this video, I'm going to show you guys, I bought an old kind of slender wood door from Facebook Marketplace actually. And I kind of had a vision. There's a corner in my dining room that it's really too small for a corner hutch. I really wanted like an old antique corner hutch, but it's really just too small. So I found a really slim kind of old door, and it was white, which was great because that's kind of the base I was going with. And then what I did was I got some antique wax and I kind of waxed around the inner panels and around the edges a little. And we got a shelf from Hobby Lobby that kind of matched the door. And then I just kind of threw some things on there that I had. And I'm really kind of into now like the antique meets farmhouse kind of vibe, where you kind of take the really old with the new that looks old and you kind of just combine them all together. So that's kind of, you know, the vibe that I'm going for. And I've changed a lot of things. My bed behind me, I've changed that too, but I'm going to do an updated master bedroom tour and what I did and some of the pieces that I got. The living room, I've changed the mantle around, just so many things. And if you're new here, or if you're old here, it doesn't make a difference because I'm redoing everything. I've kind of been really inspired just, you know, since we are at home more now, really just kind of looking around my home thinking, what can I do to make my home the coziest it can possibly be? And that's why I wanted to change my YouTube channel, and hopefully you guys will want to follow along. Please hit the subscription box and the notifications box so that you get messages when I'm going to have a new video, when the new video has been updated. I have my Instagram too. It's Treasures by Tina 28. And if you want to join me there, that's fantastic. Also have the same thing on Facebook. It's Treasures by Tina. Please feel free to subscribe to everything and stay anew. I had told my Instagram subscribers that as soon as I hit 2,000 followers, which I'm over now, that I would be doing a giveaway. So, and that is what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to link it to this channel somehow. And I'm going to be creating a few new crafts. So I'm going to make something special for whoever I choose to win. So I'm really excited about that. I have some ideas of what I want to do. I'm over 2,000 subscribers now, but I really wanted to take the time to make something very special for someone. That's why it's taken me a little bit longer. So that is that. If you guys ever have any questions, any comments, you want to see how I do anything. I mean, I'm really not a beauty blogger in any way, but if you wanted to know how I did my makeup, or I'm going to be doing like an outfit of the day, maybe I'll do like a week series every once in a while, kind of stick that in there. I do work in the automotive business, so I usually do wear pants every day. So it's just like I'll show different ways to mix up, still be fashionable at work, even though you're wearing pants all the time. I'm very much a dress girl, but you know, where I work, it's not really logical to do it that way. So I am going to bring you guys out. I'm going to show you the door. I'm going to show you how I decorated it. I used a Miramax antique waxing. I think I used dark walnut, or no, I think it was like Jacoba bean, but I will show you that, the one that I used. and just how I took stuff from around my house. And I'll be posting things twice a week. I'm going to try to do an upload on Mondays and either on Friday or Saturday. But I will definitely always let you guys know what day the videos are coming. And I'm also going to be tagging other people that I follow that I think their YouTube channels are just so wonderful, and so they give you so much inspiration. And that's really what it's all about, just inspiring somebody to reach within yourself for your own creativity, for what you feel is important to you or what you love to look at. And I think that's really important. I mean, a house is your home, period. So it should be everything that you want it to be. I am also going to start some other things is book series. I just bought a new book by Elin Hildebrand, which I'm going to read, and I think I've read all of hers. She's a Nantucket resident, and a lot of her stories, I think all of her stories actually take place on Nantucket, which is one of my favorite places, by the way. And so I'm going to be doing that too. So it's just kind of like a whole bunch of things to keep you happy at home, cozy at home, fill your heart with joy, and try to be inspirational for you guys. So thanks for tuning in, and I will be right back, and I will show you the door and everything on it. Bye. Hi everybody. Okay, so here is a picture of the door. So I'm just gonna give you a little bit of an overview first, just so you can kind of see the look I was going for in this little corner. It's just, on the opening from the kitchen to the dining room. So it was a white door, and it was just plain white. And then, I'll just show you a good spot. You could see like I antiqued all the way around the inner panels and a little bit on the edges. And then this shelf I got from Hobby Lobby, and I was so happy because it is just 21 inches long, and the door is like 22¼ inches long, or wide rather. So the shelf just fit perfect. And then what I did to decorate it was I also bought these hooks from Hobby Lobby as well, and then we just drilled them in the door. Well, my husband drilled them in the door, and then I just decorated it with things that I had. I was really going for a very antique looking farmhouse, and I think I achieved it pretty well. I have this lamb's ear wreath that I got at Hobby Lobby. This vase is actually just a dollar store vase that I distressed, and I made it look like pottery. And I can do a video on that if you guys would like to see it. It was super easy to do, and it really just brightens it up. I purchased these dried flowers also from Hobby Lobby. Then I have two old books that I got at an antique store. And then I got this little candle holder also from Hobby Lobby, and just a battery powered candle. And then this is an old tea kettle, copper tea kettle, that I bought from Facebook Marketplace for $3. And I just put that up here and just put a little faux greenery in it. And then I have my apron hanging down the side, so it kind of covers the hinges and things like that when you're in the kitchen. So that's really important. I kind of distressed, the knob a little bit too. Then I just put some dried greenery on one hook, and on the other hook, this is a cutting board I got from a vintage store, and then I just painted it and put the little home sign in there. So that's what it looks like, all decorated. And this is a mirror also got from Hobby Lobby, but it had also that kind of old antique vibe I was going for. And then I just have two little farmhouse signs that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. So that is the little corner of the dining room that I was going for, the antique look I was going for. Over here, I have a big plan for over here, so that'll be in another video as soon as I get that project completed. But if you want to see my table also, so I got, oh, that's my cat. Hello, Gibbies. And so we have, all this I actually bought from Amazon. So the chairs, the table are from Amazon, and the charger, I think the chargers are from Amazon too. The plates are from Christmas Tree Shop. And then I just got white napkins and a little lamb's ear and a ring. And we just leave it set all the time just because it looks so pretty. And then on the table, I bought this copper bowl at an antique store. and just filled it with greenery from Hobby Lobby. And the riser that's underneath I actually made myself. So that's one of the things that actually I make and I sell. So if anybody would like a riser, just let me know. And then I just have this little candle with a battery operated candle inside for the table. And that is our little dining room. But I love the door. I love the way it came out. It just makes my heart so happy to look at it. I just absolutely love it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications button, and I will let you know what video is going to be coming either Friday or Saturday. Have a great day, guys. Bye.